Nditaga nake 9 months. Uria turanditete nake 9 months. Thutha wa gutigana nake ta mweri ri ni anyandikira. Anjira no ende tuonane mbere ya mutungatiri. Na riria twacemania ri ahera muno. And I really felt it. Ahera muno anjira atiriri, I have seen my mistake. Na ni nyonete kiria ndiragirirwo ni gwika itekite. Na twaheranira muno na njira atiriri, ona ndamwira ona niriti ati ndi perfect.
Of course, yes.
Ndirakuhiria and all that. And I am sorry. Na gwakorwo na ihinda riega muno ria kuheranira. No anjira atiriri, weri, he is not done. No kahinda-ini kau ri ndikire giterenge-ini. Ndamwira niri, I'm no longer able.
Single. I'm seeing someone.
Dinamwira I'm seeing somebody. Asha. Ndahithirira.
No kuhithirira.
Ugati ya muthoni.
Kereke.
Lu gugate. Can you imagine? Lu modo muratwaranaga nake na ni muratwaranite wega, ni mwatigana within 1 month. Ni acoko kakwira atiriri, enyewe muthoni no ngwendete. Na no nyende tucokerere undu ucio tondu ni nyonete mahitia makwa na ni ndamona ni ndrona maharia ndahitirie. No kahinda already you are in a mess of the mess of the mess.
Ulitoka kwenye moto ukaingia kwenye pan ukaingia kwenye moto. Rebound.
No nyita.
Jumping from this guy to the other.
Yes.
Niko wa gwitikira kwa ngoro ihone. We all have made those mistakes.
Like I normally say now, I am a big advocate of healing. Ni jaragiriria muno ohoro wa kuhona.
Honia ngoro yaku.
Ona tari ministry ya Ngai ahete ni ya kuhonia ngoro. Make sure you heal
fast.
Yes.
Stop taking painkillers.
Stop taking painkillers.
Riu ri ni wetha uria wahana haria mwe na karugendo kega.
Ni ndetha ugi. No ndamwetha to ndamwira I think my life is in trouble. Ne ngwirire I have a very small circle. Very small.
Riu ni kuhunyirira.
Riu ri ndarigwa who can I call?
Ona ni kungithuka muno riu ni nyanjie gwetha ithai ndiria ni ndume marima ndina ni tukuragwo na ndi mwana baba
twanyita tuhetanire ni kuhitanire
ngomanire
baba uma marima
twanyita koguo gitumi gia kumwitari my circle is very small. Ndari guchiteo I feel this but chiteo
you are in the mess.
Who do I call?
Na ire tunejo ni tukunyita hau.
Yes.
Rebound. And
remember I could have spoken maybe like with my family. I have a history with my family. No anyita. Koiguo ri arata akwa ri nio kwa kahinda makoretwo me very close gukira my family.
Yes.
But now God is rebuilding that. But there was a time.
Yes.
Digetire my cousin ati dwara hado. You understand that? Ndamwitari.
Yes.
Oka like a friend. Na kindu kia mbere twehinga kuria tuhoe for 40 days. Tukiraga Ngai tukiheraga mehia to ni ndamwira everything. Ndamuhingukira ngoro. In fact I remember the day that mwanake ucio okire mucii after I told him on August 8th. On August 8th ndamwira uguo ri the day after that tondu ni okire mucii akorire mwanake ucio mucii na mukorire ni tondu wa maundu maria anjirite. Wanyita twambiriria kuhoya twambiriria gwitana na ni twathii nake gathabari ka mieri eigana na nginya November.
Yes.
But around September of that year
haria uhiki ufati gwikikira.
Yes. Mwanake uyu ri da realize twatiganire no we eraga andu ni taturio hamwe.
No tondu urona tari ithako gathemba tuthomerwo moro tucokere nikio turathinjwo ni anake.